Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the 2026 Zontes 368G Enduro. It's not just a bike, it's a caffeinated cheetah on two wheels with a PhD in tech wizardry. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. Zontes ZT368G Sealing Glass Windshield Installation Video Tutorial. Preparation Tools: T25 Torx Wrench. 12mm open-end wrench. Clean the sealing bracket according to the video method, and then stick on the single-sided 3M adhesive rubber pad. Prepare 4 windshield fixing bolts and 4 fixing nuts. The bolts need to be pre-assembled with flanged bushings, buffer rubber, and nylon washers. Install the windshield nuts on the back of the windshield bracket. Manually install one fixing bolt and tighten it. Then sequentially install the remaining 3 fixing bolts. The buffer rubber and nylon washers inside the bolts must not be omitted. Use a 12mm open-end spanner and T25 Torx wrench to tighten the 4 windshield fixing bolts one by one. Installation completed. Thank you for watching.